Hey y'all, this is your girl Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and today I will be working on another DIY. You got it, Dollar Tree style, cause you know how your girl likes to ball out on a budget. Today, quick, easy, simple is the name of the game. I took a Dollar Tree metal wreath form, wrapped it in Christmas garland that I had left over. I used Deco Mesh in red from the Dollar Tree and wove that in and out of the garland. Then I added a heart shape that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. In a pack, also from the Dollar Tree, I got small heart shapes that I then hot glued onto the branches. Simple, quick, and easy. Makes a beautiful wreath for Valentine's Day. And as a matter of fact, you could keep it on your door all year round. Simply change the decor. In the springtime, you can put spring flowers. In the fall, leaves, pumpkins, gourds, and the same wreath can be used through the Christmas season. Give it a try. It's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching once again. Be blessed.